Hello and welcome to one more chapter of latest inventions in technology field. We go around the world of technology to find those entrepreneurs who are going to impact the world very soon and who are looking for financial support.
Introducing Zeroed, a performance jacket with a trench coat look that makes you feel good while looking good even in severe weather. Featuring PFC-free coating and a waterproof membrane, Zeroed can keep you dry for over an hour in heavy rain. Besides the standard layers of a soft-shelled membrane and polypolar fleece, we also designed Zeroed with another 2.5 performance layer featuring the latest graphene membrane technology, making the whole jacket ultra heat retaining, anti-static, antibacteria, and anti-odor. Multiple and spacious pockets. Yes, we definitely love those. The removable hood adds extra protection during bad weather and can then be taken off easily to transform Zeroed into a trench coat. Zeroed comes with a detachable inner jacket featuring Thermolite synthetic down, which is made from recycled plastic, is 100% animal-free, and completely eco-friendly. It's warmer and has superior moisture resistance compared to the regular down. PFC-free coating and a waterproof membrane are also applied to the inner jacket. With a seam-taped design, the inner jacket is 100% waterproof and windproof as well. Zeroed comes in two colors. It fits perfectly with both business and casual looks and can be worn in the spring, fall, and winter.
So you want to buy the new MacBook, but don't want to pay Apple prices for extra storage? Luckily, there is HybridDrive, an expandable hub with high-speed SSD. HybridDrive is a feature-proofed SSD storage with USB 3.1 Generation 2 hub and dock, providing up to 10 GB per second transfer speed. HybridDrive offers 4 storage options at half the price of upgrading storage from Apple. Plus, you get a USB hub. HybridDrive is the smart choice for anyone who needs extra storage. HybridDrive is not just a hub for MacBooks. It can also connect with any USB-C devices with its specially designed detachable dock. It replaces all your dongles and solves your storage needs. It has a USB-C, HDMI, 2 USB-A ports, and an SD and TF card readers. It has a transfer speed of up to 450 megabyte per second read and write. It is fast enough to run a bootable drive for Windows or Mac. HybridDrive is made out of impact-resistant plastics that is both light and strong. With superior internal design, HybridDrive generates less heat compared to other hubs. Extremely portable and lightweight, HybridDrive weighs in at just 56 grams. HybridDrive, the only USB hub with high-speed SSD storage.
Reven, a helmet-mounted black box for motorcycle enthusiasts. The wide-angle front and rear-facing cameras record video simultaneously, and swappable batteries let you record your entire ride. The heads-up display lets you monitor your rear view in real time. Reven is easy to install and attaches to your existing helmets. It's compatible with popular helmet brands such as HJC, Shoei, and Array. The heads-up display is clearly visible in both daylight and at night. Use Reven to make and receive phone calls, or listen to music of your choice wirelessly. all without taking your eyes off the road or your hands off the handlebars. Quickly change to a spare battery in between rides. And join a group call with other riders in your group. Staying safe on the road can be a real challenge. Danger could be hiding in your blind spots. Reven provides blind spot assistance with a 143-degree field of view that's visible in your heads-up display. So you can keep your line of sight without turning your head to check your blind spots for oncoming traffic. Mount Reven to the helmet of your choice. Ride smart. Avoid accidents. Maintain your style. Ride the way you want to. Reven.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the world looking for new inventions and inventors. They will impact the world.